Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shannon and today we're going to make a Lego dog. These are the pieces you need. First, you take these pieces, place them there. Then you put these top of it. Do the same for the other one. And then you put these on top. Make sure these are on each end underneath this. Next, you take this 2x4 brick and place it like that. Next, you take these pieces and put them on each end facing to you, like this. Next, you take these, it has to have eyeballs. If you don't want any eyeballs, then that's fine, it's your choice. Then you place the eyeballs facing to you, like this. And then you take this piece and then place it like this. It looks like a dog now, but it's not complete. Of course, a dog needs a tail. Flip it over, you put this piece right in the middle of these, like that. And there you have it, your dog. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check out some other videos like these. Bye.